Every year, about 8,000 ships from all over the world call at Hamburg, Europe's second largest port. From the mega cargo ship terminal to the jetties and all the way to the maritime district of Hamburg, it smells like freedom and distant countries here. If you ever tried a boat tour or visited one of the legendary museum ships here, you already know firsthand why Hamburg is called the gateway to the world. Hamburg is proud of its port and it celebrates the world's greatest port festival every year in front of a unique maritime backdrop. It's an event for the whole family. Against the stunning backdrop of the Speicherstadt warehouse district, the magnificent Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall, and the iconic Lanzenbrücken Pier, the yearly port anniversary is a whole weekend of fun and events for locals and visitors of all ages. Every year in the month of May, millions embark the shores of the Elbe to celebrate Hamburg's Hafengeburtstag, meaning Harbor Birthday, that is, the anniversary of the city's port. Actually, the Hamburg port anniversary dates back to the days of Emperor Frederick Barbarossa. On 7th May in the year 1189, he granted a tax exemption on trade in the Hamburg port area. This decision proved to be the turning point in Hamburg's rise to power. In the centuries to come, the formerly modestly sized town transformed into one of Europe's most significant port cities. No wonder that almost 835 years later, 7th May is still celebrated as the birthday of Hamburg's harbor, or its Hafengeburtstag as the Germans call it. Since 1977, these celebrations have come in the shape of a large weekend-long festival, including an almost unfathomable abundance of food stalls, live music, and ship parades. This combination has proved to be a great annual success. Today, this birthday party is the single largest port festival on the planet. As they say, Hamburg celebrates and the world joins in. Being a sailor myself, I've visited the Hamburg harbor on numerous occasions in the last decade. However, this year was the first time that I actually got a chance to attend the Hafengeburtstag. This year as well, the festival was celebrated with huge pomp and show and attended by more than 1.1 million people. Over 300 vessels from all over the world visited Hamburg to celebrate the birthday, and the atmosphere along the Elbe was just fantastic. A variety of live performances on numerous stages, the colorful supporting program, and the culinary delights in front of the Port of Hamburg scenery are all integral to the port anniversary experience. With hundreds of booths, activities, events, and Hamburg-bound ships, the port anniversary celebrations continue over multiple nights through the weekend and offer endless fun for the entire family in a safe, protected environment. And to top it all, the grand display of fireworks to round off an eventful day. There is no better backdrop than Hamburg's port, the Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall, and the hustle and bustle of the Landsbrücken piers to enjoy a night of fascinating and breathtaking pyrotechnics. While you enjoy the fireworks, do like and share this video if you're enjoying it, and subscribe to be notified for more content just like this. The end of the fireworks is marked by the whistle horn blow from all the ship.
I would have to see it. Yeah. And then I was like,
The open-air concerts continue into the night, and if you still need something more, there's always the Reeperbahn and some food just a few minutes walk away. Check the video link on screen if you want to know more about Reeperbahn. As always, thanks for watching. Keep exploring. This is Rahul for Roma Realm, and I'll see you in the next one.